All right, we're going to look at doing the calculation for the total resistance for these two resistors that have been placed in parallel. Okay, first of all, we need that formula. I'd suggest you always write that down. 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. You'll get a mark for that, so you may as well write it down. You can see the two resistors there. There's R1 and there is R2 over there. Okay, next step is, write it down, 1 over RT is equal to 1 over 10 ohms plus 1 over 22 ohms. All right, now that's where it starts getting a little bit more complicated. I would say let's try and find the LCD, but I know that you guys will spend a couple of years doing that, so let's not get ourselves into too much of a mess, and we can use our wonderful little black box of magic called a calculator in order to do this. So we're going to write down 1 over RT is equal to, and then I start over here and I plug this into my calculator, 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 22 is equal to, and it ends up with 8 over 55. Right. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip that around, okay? So I'm going to end up with RT over 1 is equal to 55 over 8. Now, how do you do that on the calculator? If you come over here, you'll see that there is a little button that has an X minus 1. That minus 1 means that I'm flipping this thing around, so I'm going to press that, equals, and you can see that I've got 55 over 8 over here. And then to get the final answer, I can say RT is equal to, and I press that little SD button over there, and that will be 6.875 ohms. All right, just note this, that would be 55 ohms over there, and that would be 55 ohms over there. All right, there's your answer, and you can underline that, and you'll get all of your marks.